Hello, I'm John Wright. It's another beautiful day here in Wrightsville Beach, and we're going to check out a 2025 190 Montauk from Boston Whaler. Give you a little spec information on the boat first. The boat's full of 19 foot 4 inch overall length. It has a beam of 8 foot and a fuel capacity of 60 gallons. Beginning here on the transom, see this boat is equipped with the Mercury 150. It also has the teak package, which adds the teak to the swim platform and to the side steps. This boat has the black frame powder coat, a really great look. It also is outfitted in glacier green on the hull side with the classic Whaler red stripes. Very good look. Here in the cockpit, first thing you notice is you have a lot of open space. Very usable for fishing or putting your beach gear, however you need to use it. You have storage under each jump seat area in the stern, as well as your JL audio speakers. This is a self-bailing cockpit, so you have scuppers both port and starboard. Moving up to the helm seat, you have a built-in live well under the helm seat, which can be used for storage or a cooler or other purposes when not used for fishing. You have a leaning post that you can put in multiple positions. Very versatile. At the helm, we have the Simrad chart plotter. You have all your boat data here. You also have your analog gauges and your JL audio. Also in the console, you've got a nice storage compartment. And as you see here, this boat is equipped with the battery boxes and the trolling motor panel in case you ever wanted to add a trolling motor. This boat does have the fishing package, so you have the Yeti, the cooler, in front of the console with the backrest and rod holders. You also have a large fish box or storage box here in the bow. You can use it as a cooler as well. Your anchor locker, which is very spacious, is in the bow also here. And as I mentioned, the trolling motor panel all the way forward here. So again, I'm John Wright at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. We'd be glad to show you this boat or any boat in inventory. Give us a call, 910-256-8100, and check us out on Facebook, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach.